Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Science Center. This is day 13 of the Province's presentation. Today is day 72 of the course. Next, you have seen yesterday the Mustang course has been activated, and this is second day of Growth Cycle 2 of 58 days in Python Foundations. Today they have taught about English past tense. No, yesterday on this past simple tense. Have done practice on it and done written test on pipes and cards and systems, pipes, tanks, and the stuff, and written is MCQs and list methods on list methods. As I didn't in this, I will write this afterwards. So don't worry. Let me show you the scores of this. 17. This one 19. Board. This one has just passed it. No, good score on it. As you know, this are where MCQs 14. This one to make 3 attempts to clear. Okay, that's it. You can see my journey. Growth cycle to Python foundations. It will be there. Tomorrow dictionaries will be open at 9, 10. By the end of this week, this will be completed. We can expect that. Until October 8. And mainly this web application build your dynamic website and responsive JavaScript as and CSS and responsive updates. This one will take more time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Watch it and please share and subscribe my channel with your friends. 2 subscribers were added from yesterday. Yesterday I want more subscribers. My target is 100 by the end of this 30 days challenge. This is entire 30 day 13 of Sponge. Thanks for watching and